Hello, my name is Andy Chatha. We are here at 27th ARC Industry Leadership Forum in Orlando. I'm delighted to have Axel Lorenz with us today. He is the CEO of Process Automation Business at Siemens. Welcome, Axel.
Thank you so much, Andy. Thanks for having me.
You have been working with your customers over the past few years in their digital transformation journey. Maybe you could talk a little bit about how are your customers progressing and how you are helping them, progress through this journey.
Our customers are really challenged. We started the journey to use digitalization to reach the next level of productivity before we came into Corona. And now with tensioning the supply chain, shortening the supply chains, increase of cost for energy and for feedstock, our customers are under a lot of pressure. So we're helping them in order to optimize. We're helping them to create a digital twin and use a digital twin of the production and of the product in order to get faster into production, be more flexible, optimize the production, but also deal with operator training systems, train their operators, and also use workflows in order to optimize their operations in total.
Yeah. On top of digital transformation, sustainability has taken a center stage at many companies. Could you talk about how you are also helping them become more sustainable?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's a very important topic. Just figure, in the global chemical industry, accounts for 8% of the global oil consumption and 12% of the global gas consumption. So on the one hand side, 50% of that is used in order to generate energy, and another 50% is used as a feedstock. So helping them in order to decarbonize is all about helping them on the one hand side to use less energy, on the other hand side, but also use different feedstock and be more sustainable on that end. This leads to them changing their plants, changing their operation regimes, maybe being more flexible in what kind of energy they're using at what point of time, what amount of energy they can get at what point of time, different operation regimes. And some of the plants they have to build are the first one of its kind. So again, here we help them in order to optimize, in order to simulate, to create the digital twin of the product and of the production, combine them, use them over the entire life cycle, and reap the benefits of the optimization and the better automation for a better production and a better sustainability.
Yeah. When we are talking to some of our customers, they are having challenges actually with their workforce. How do they prepare their workforce for digital transformation and all digital twin and other technologies coming to the plant? How are you helping them prepare their workforce?
There's two things we need to do. With the scarcity of skilled labor that will increase, number one, we have to increase the level of automation in order to get better production, more sustainability with less people or the same amount of people. And at that point of time, we have to help the operators that we have in the plant to do the job they do even better than they do today, because it will be more challenging. It will be required that we have more flexible productions and optimized production. So what we do is we optimize workflows. For example, the Comos mobile worker is going to help our customers to optimize the workflows. Give you an example. We're using an electronic batch recording, our op center, in order to store the recipes and drive the batch, and that also includes dosing and preparation. And this is where the Comos mobile worker comes in, and where the operators are guided in order to do all these manual work in the batch process more professionally and more optimized, and feed back into the system so that we have a complete electronic batch recording of all the functionality. And that is not only working in pharma, it is working in chemical and other industries as well.
Yeah. Some of the companies are trying to implement, obviously, a digital twin. They are looking at Metaverse. Siemens has strong solutions when it comes to, digital twins. Could you maybe talk a little bit about, how you are helping your customers prepare the models and digital twins so that they can really optimize their operations?
Yeah, we have a huge portfolio helping our customers in the various industry doing that. But let me give you just a couple of examples. We're helping them to really make a difference with plant engineering systems. For example, Comos is one of them for the process industries. Teamcenter could be another one that we would be using in order to engineer the plants and create the digital twin of the production of our customer. And then we have an optimization system for products, for the chemical and biological product that goes down to the molecule and helps simulate and optimize the function of that project and of the behavior. So we can also combine the digital twin of the plant with the digital twin of the product and start using them. We use those tools for the simulation, and also we combine that with a connection to our automation, to our process automation system, in order to close the loop all over. Now, in order to create openness, because we're not only talking about greenfield, we also talk about brownfield. We are into the modular type package, a new standard that comes from Namur, in order to connect to the installed base and integrate all the automation facilities which are already there. So this is just one example, but let me go on. I mean, we're using Mendix for low-code, no-code software generation in order to help our customers to really focus on the technology, on the problem they want to solve, and not have to deal with program languages. And then we have a great combination from the shop floor with industrial edge all the way into the cloud using MindSphere services. So I could go on endlessly. We have a huge portfolio in order to solve the different tasks that we have. We bring them all together in our initiative Siemens Accelerator, and the one goal, the most important goal for Siemens Accelerator, is to help our customer accelerate the digitalization. And this is where we all work together in order to bring the products better together, create interfaces, to connect also to other partners, create a marketplace and a metaverse for our customers to use different tools in order for their benefit in order to solve the challenge.
Yeah. These are all great solutions. As you know, right now, we are Europe and the country, actually the world, we are going through some significant transition. And economic-wise, what is your outlook? If you look short term, maybe 2 years, or maybe longer term, how are you looking at the world right now?
I see it positive.
Yeah.
Do we have challenges? Yes, we do. Yeah. But we also have technology and ideas and products to overcome those challenges. And on the other hand, we have huge opportunities. We have huge opportunities to serve the purpose to create a better world we want to live in today and tomorrow. So actually, we have the opportunities to move forward, to drive the chain, to improve production, to be more flexible, to individualize. Technology, the digitalization helped us in the pharmaceutical industry to create vaccines in less than 18 months against COVID. And that's a great innovation. And it was only possible to do that in the short period of time because of the huge amount of digitalization and of course of the huge know-how of the companies who were doing that. For sure, but this is where things come together to create a better tomorrow. So I'm optimistic.
That's great. Siemens certainly has a very wide array of solutions, and I know you are working with a lot of customers. Good luck with helping them with digital transformation and sustainability and so forth. Thank you, Axel. We have been speaking with Axel Lorenz, CEO of Process Automation at Siemens. Thank you for watching.